Is wholesaling hard? Yeah, it is. And no, it's not. When you first get started, it's gonna seem impossible. You're gonna doubt yourself. You're gonna think, this isn't for me. My first 4 deals didn't close. I got 4 deals under contract and none of them closed. I thought it was another failed venture. Just like the eBay thing, just like the pro wrestling thing, it's not working out. It seemed impossible. But then I finally closed that first deal. And then I closed the second, the third, and the fourth. And then it gets easier. After you close your first few, it gets easier and easier. Then you learn how to scale, you learn how to improve your abilities and your skills, and it just gets easier. It's never easy, but it does get easier. And hey, it's way better than showing up to a 9-to-5 for the rest of your life. Trust me. I love this business and I will never do anything else. I will always be a wholesaler. Guys, if you're interested in learning about wholesaling real estate, completely changing your life financially, and being able to do the things you want to do when you want to do it, reach out to me, leave me a message, or send me a comment. Whatever you got to do to get a hold of me, I can help you get started. Appreciate it.